Hello my dear students, in this video we will learn how to calculate arithmetic mean with the help of direct method and the series is continuous. Once again, in this video we will learn how to calculate arithmetic mean in case of continuous series by direct method. So it is very easy. The difference is only that is here given in the form of class interval. So if you convert the class interval into mid value, so the mid value and the frequency will work together and the value of class interval will become 0. So as we know that in case of discrete series, the perfect variables and the frequency both works together. The same thing happened in this case. So first point I have written that class interval, that is the CI. Class interval is converted into mid value. So first convert. So how we can convert the mid value? So lower class interval plus upper class interval divided by 2. So mid value. First of all we will calculate. How we can calculate? L1 plus L2 divided by 2. So L1 is 0 and L2 is 5. So 0 plus 5 is equal to 5. 5 divided by 2, that is 2.5. Next, 5 plus 10, 15. 15 divided by 2, that is 7.5. Next, 10 plus 15, that is 25, that is 12.5. Next, 15 plus 20, that is 35, so 17.5. 20 plus 25 is equal to 45, means 22.5. Clear? So in this way we have calculated the mid value. Really now there is no work of CI. Now there is no use of CI. Now we have to work on the basis of the frequency and the mid value. So second step is mid value is multiplied by respective frequency to obtain FM. So now we have to obtain, that is FM. So here write down FM, or you can also write the small letter, that is the FM. Clear? So respective frequency, so 2.5 and its respective frequency is 2, so 2.5 into 2 is equal to 5. Clear? Now 7.5 into 8 is equal to 7.5. So 0 that is 60. Clear? Now 12.5 into 6, that is 75. Now 17 into 10, 17.5 into 10, that is 175. 22.5 into 4, that is 90. Clear? So in this way we have obtained FM. Now each FM is added to get sum of Fm. So here that is the sum of Fm is equal to 5 plus 60 plus 75 plus 175 plus 90. So the total value will be 405. Clear? Now, next we add all the frequencies to get sum of F. So frequency is here given 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 6, 16, 16 plus 4, 20, 20 plus 10, that is 30. Clear? Now we will apply the formula XOR is equal to sum of Fm divided by sum of F. So XOR is equal to sum of Fm divided by sum of F. So sum of F is 30 and sum of Fm is 405. So XOR is equal to 405 divided by 30. Clear? So 30 ones are, so 405, that is 30. So 30 ones are 30. Now 5. So that is 3 times 4 times, that is 120. So 3 times 90, 5, 1, 15.0, 5 times, so 13.5. So 13.5. So what is 13.5? So 13.5 is the mean value of given marks. So unit is marks. That is our answer. Is it clear? So it is very easy. Only keep it in your mind that the class interval will be converted into mid value. Clear? Now the mid value will be multiplied by frequency to obtain Fm. So each Fm, when we will calculate, we will add all the Fm and will get sum of Fm. Now we will add all the frequencies, then we will get sum of F. So here sum of formula is sum of Fm divided by sum of F. So 405 divided by 30, and the 405 is divided by 30, its value is 13.5. So our arithmetic mean is 13.5. Is it clear? Now come to the second part, that is the step deviation method and continuous series. So this is the shortcut method and the series is continuous because here the class interval is given. So in the previous video, first of all what we did? First of all we did Ci is converted into mid value. Clear? Ci is converted into mid value. So here that is the mid value. Mid value, it is denoted by M. So as we know that mid value L1 plus, that is the L2 divided by 2. Clear? So 0 plus 10, that is the 10. So 10 divided by 2, 5. 20 plus 10, 30 divided by 2, 15. Next 25. Next 35. Next 45. Next 55. Next 65, and the last 75. So we have already calculated mid value. Now there is no use of class interval. There is no use. Clear? So what? That is the second step. Any mid value will be taken from mid values as A. So as these are the mid value, you can take any one as you like. So suppose I just take, that is the, suppose 25, that is A. Clear? This is known as assumed mean. So why we take the mid value as a assumed mean? To calculate deviation D. Clear? So D is equal to M minus A. Clear? So M, that is the mid value, means 5 minus 25, next 15 minus 25, next 25 minus 25, next 35 minus 25, next 45 minus 25, next 55 minus 25, next 65 minus 25, next 75 minus 25. So 5 minus 25 minus 20. 15 minus 25 minus 10. That is 0. This is 10. 45, that is 20. 55, that is 30. 65, that is 40. 75, that is 50. So in this way we have calculated D. So again M minus A, where M is the mid value, each deviation will be multiplied by, now this has completed, this has completed. Clear? Now come to the here. Each deviation will be multiplied by respective frequency to obtain FD. So now come to the here FD. So D is, that is minus 20 and the frequency is 3. So minus 60. Clear? Now 8 into 10 minus 80. 12 into 0, that is 0. 16 into 10, that is 160. 19 into 20, that is 380. 16 into 30, that is 480. 11 into 4, that is 440. Now 225, 250. Clear? So in this way we have already calculated FD. Clear? So this has also done. Now come. Each FD is added to obtain sum of FD. So now we have to calculate sum of FD is equal to, so that is the minus value. So this one is minus 140. Minus 60 minus 80, that is minus 140. Now add all this. This is all 0, means 0. 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 8, 17. 17 plus 8, 25. 25 plus 6, that is 31. Carry 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 4, 11. 11 plus 4, 15. 15 plus 2, that is 17. So that is positive value. Clear? So here 170 1710 minus 140 is equal to 0. Okay, 11 minus 4, that is 7. 6 minus 1, that is 5. So 1570. 1570. We have already calculated what? Sum of FD. So sum of FD we have already calculated. Now there is no work of it. All the frequency will be added. So if we add, that is 5 plus 1 6 plus 6 12, 12 plus 9 21, 21 plus 6, that is 27, again 29, 29 plus 8 37, 37 plus 3 40, carry 4 5 6 7 8 9, that is 90. Now this work has also completed. Sum of F is equal to 90. Now we will use the formula. What is the formula? X var is equal to A plus sum of FD divided by sum of F. So we have taken, that is 25 in the form of assumed mean, plus I have calculated sum of FD is equal to 1570. 1570 divided by 90. So 1010, that is cancel. Now 157 को divide कर दो 9 से here. So 9 1 जा 9, 6, that is 7, 9 7 जा 63. Okay, that is 4.0, that is 36. So 17.4. So 25 plus 17.4. So what will be the answer? Answer will be 0.4, that is 7 plus 5 12, 2 plus 1 3 plus 1 4. So 25 plus 17, that is 42.4. That is our X var value, mean value, and the unit will be marks. Clear? So in this way we will calculate the continuous series through shortcut method. I think it is very easy. Now come to the step deviation method. Again it is so easy. Now see here. Now in this video we will learn how to calculate arithmetic mean by a step deviation method if the series is continuous. Clear? So just before it we have done, that is the shortcut method. So in shortcut method up to D, you know, that is the deviation, how we calculate. Now only 2 steps we will move towards more. So first, that is the CI. CI will be converted into mid value. So again here, that is the mid value we will calculate. Mid value, that is M. So 0 plus 10 divided by 2, 5. Next 10 plus 20, 30 divided by 2, 15. Next 25. Next 35. Next 45. Next 55. Now we have calculated M. Now the second step, choose any mid value as a assumed mean. So again I am choosing, that is 25 in the form of assumed mean. Now this line I have already completed. Now come to the deviation D is calculated using M minus M. So here D is equal to M minus A. So M, that is your 5, and A, that is 25. So you can also write down here m minus 25. Clear? So 5 minus 25 is equal to minus 20. Clear? 15 minus 25 is equal to minus 10. 25 minus 25 is equal to 0. 35 minus 25 is equal to 10. 45 minus 25 is equal to 20. 55 minus 25 is equal to 30. So in this way I have already calculated D. Now come to this line. Calculate D dash using D divided by C, where C is the common difference of Ci. So what is the C? So common difference is 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30. So the common difference is equal to what? 10. So the difference between the lower class interval and the upper class interval, the difference is 10. So here C is equal to 10, then D dash is equal to D divided by C. Clear? So we have already calculated D. So minus 20 divided by 10 is equal to minus 2. Next, minus 10 divided by 10 is equal to minus 1. So 0 divided by 10 is equal to 0. 10 divided by 10 is equal to 1. 20 divided by 10 is equal to 2. 30 divided by 10 is equal to 3. Clear? So now again the common difference C we have already done. Next step. This line I have already completed. Now come to this point. D dash is multiplied by respective frequency. So these are the respective frequency of D dash. So here FD dash we will calculate. Clear? FD dash. So first minus 2 and 5 is equal to minus 10. Minus 3 minus 1, that is minus 3. 12 into 0 is equal to 0. 10 into 1 is equal to 10. 5 into 2 is equal to 10. 5 into 3 is equal to 15. Clear? So our negative value is how much? Minus 13. Our positive value is, that is 35. That is positive value. Clear? So what is the difference? So difference is only 22. So sum of FD is equal to 22. Clear? This is the difference. Now use now we have already done sum of F. I have to do 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 12, that is 20, 20 plus 10, that is 30, 30 plus 10, that is 40. So now we have already done. Clear? Come to the formula. X bar is equal to A plus sum of FD dash divided by sum of F into C. Our assumed mean is A is equal to 25. We have already taken. So that is 25. Plus sum of FD dash. Sum of FD dash is equal to 22. Divided by sum of F, that is 40. Common difference C, that is 10. Now it is so easy. Now 25 plus 22 by 4 is equal to 25 plus 5.5. Okay? So 25 plus 5, that is 30 and 0.5. We have already calculated arithmetic mean 30.5 and it is unit is marks. So here variable is marks. Clear? So it is very easy and try to solve all this. One thing I want to say you, in the first and second videos, just I cut the marks, that is the class interval. You may cut, but you should not cut. Only I cut that there is no use after the calculation of mid value. So I am a teacher just to simplify it, to keep it in your mind. So there is no use of class interval, that's why just I cut. But in your own exam you will not try to cut. Okay, so some teacher will think why such a student has cut or anything. So I hope here I am not going to cut. So here there is also a problem. In the last we have taken the C, D divided by C. So C I have calculated from the class interval. So I request you from all the students, don't try to cut. And it is so easy. Now we will discuss in the next video, that is the missing frequency, combined mean and open end series. Okay, thank you. So here just I have given you two sum for the practice. Is it clear? So you will try to practice these sums, because both of it is related to continuous series, and you have to use direct method, shortcut method and a step deviation method. That's why I have written here 3 methods. So if you will solve it, your concept will become very clear. Okay, thank you.